Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could resolve the problem of the resolution of your monitor or your screen on Windows 10. So first of all, to resolve this problem, you might need to update your drivers or make sure that the drivers are installed. To do that, you will just need to go to the search tab and you type Device Manager. You will need to click on this little icon to open it. It will take just a few seconds to open it. So here we go. The next step, you will need to check if the drivers are already installed there. And to check, you will need to click on Monitors. And here we have my 3 monitors drivers. You can, if you would like to, you can go ahead and click Update Drivers, even though they are up to date or even though you see them, they are installed. If it appears with a yellow triangle, then you need to install them. So just make sure to click Update Drivers for each. Once updated or not, Windows will give you a message saying the exact situation. Once the drivers installed, you will need to go ahead and click on the desktop with the right button of the mouse, and you need to select Display Settings. Here we go. So the next step, I will need to identify, for example, in my case, for which monitor I need to resolve the problem of the resolution. So here I will just click Identify. So this is monitor 2 and actually is the one which I want to fix. So I will just click here to have it selected so that the green color balanced to the 1. Here we go, the monitor 2 has been selected. And here you will have the display resolution settings available once you have updated the drivers or installed them if they are missing. So next we'll just click, and here we will select a recommended, the recommended setting 168. In this case it's 168 by 150 or 1050, and you will be asked to keep the changes. I will just go ahead and click Keep Changes. Now that the changes has been kept, I will need to change a bit the scale, so I will just click on it, and here I have 175%, 150, 125. I would like to have 100, and it's also the recommended one, so I'll just click on it. As you can see, the resolution has been changed, and you can go ahead and try multiple resolutions if you would like. Once you are done, you can just go ahead and click the settings, and you are ready to use your monitor. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance or advice, you can always write us a comment or send us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, just press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.